Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter P. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected. Identify the uppercase and the lowercase letter P. Learn the words that start with the sound P. Learn the formation of the letter P, uppercase and lowercase. In class, you will make some flashcards of different objects that start with letter P, including these 4 objects. Okay? So, visualize the flashcards of uppercase and lowercase letter to the students. Ask them, is it uppercase letter P or lowercase letter P? You should write on 4 lines. And uppercase letter, we will start from the first line, and the lowercase letter, we will start from the second line. After that, we will teach the formation, same like this, and sound and vocabulary words. You could teach on the whiteboard as well, or you could show this image to the students. Start from the first line, come straight down, make semicircle, it will make capital P. Start from second line, come straight down, make semicircle, it will make small p. The letter name is P. The sound of P is P. P, P, pencil, P, P, pencil, P, P, pencil, P, P, pigeon, P, P, panda, P, P, parrot, P, P, pineapple, P, plate. Punctuality. Be ready on time for school every day. Be ready on time for school every day. It's story time. After telling the story, ask different question. I hope so you understood how you have to interact individually in the class with the students, and you will exactly teach like that. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.